Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I am back to discuss the upgrade program that VHT offers. When you buy a machine, you automatically are given a lifetime warranty and an upgrade option if that machine is new. The upgrade option is basically where you can take your machine if you outgrow it, if you want something with more features, trade it in, you get a full price credit, you can upgrade to the next model, and the only thing you're responsible for is the difference and the shipping between the two models. There are a few exceptions to this. If there are any physical modifications made to the cabinet, you will not qualify for the upgrade program. Also, we request pictures to be sent to us of the cabinet to make sure everything looks and appears to be in full functioning order before we process the transaction. If you have any questions, please give us a call. My number is 828-220-5012.